Today we are going to discuss about bonding in carbon, and it is a part of carbon and its compound chapter for class 10th and CBSE board. Now what is bonding and how it is formed? Earlier we studied in metals and non-metals that there are ionic bond. For reference, you can see my previous video on ionic bonds. Ionic bonds are present in between metal and non-metal, and these bonds are formed by transfer of electrons, and they form two types of ion. One is called cation and another is called anion. Now the sharing or transfer of electrons done due to get the stability of a particular metal or non-metal by transferring its electron, either accepting or donating electron, either creating anion or cation. The cation is a positive charge ion and anion is a negative charge ion. Anion accepts electron, cation donates electron. This is all about ionic bond. But when we are talking about carbon, we already seen in the previous video how carbon is important to us, how the carbon is essential in everyday life, how carbon is playing an important role in our life. Now, how this carbon makes form different compounds or get into the involvement of reaction. Now, for carbon, we already seen that most of the carbons produced from organic compounds. Organic compounds are those compounds formed from plants and animals. Organic compound they are the main constituent of organic compound is carbon, and this carbon, how this carbon get involved in organic compounds, what type of bond carbon makes, we will see in this video. Now firstly we will see what is the elementary form of carbon. Carbon, it is a non-metal whose atomic number is 6 and electronic configuration is 2,4. Now the outermost electron plays, every time in a reaction the outermost electron plays an important role. The carbon valence electron number is 4. So this can be done, it can be worked for in two ways. The first one is either carbon donate 4 electrons or carbon accept 4 electrons. Why this carbon is accepting or donating electrons? Because after donating or accepting electrons, it gets stability and it reaches to its nearest noble gas configuration to get stable. So this carbon requires either to donate electrons or to accept electrons. But donating or accepting 4 electrons at the same time is very tough for carbon. So this can't be possible by carbon to accept 4 electrons or donate 4 electrons, because huge energy required to accept or donate electrons. So how the carbon can form bonds? The formation of bonds in carbon. The formation of bonds in carbon relates with the mutual sharing of different carbon to carbon or carbon to other element. This can be done, and here comes covalent bond. Rather than ionic bond, the carbon compounds are interrelated or attracted by covalent bonds. So what is covalent bond and how it is formed? Covalent bond. The covalent bond is basically the bond of sharing, the sharing of electrons or the sharing of electrons to get the stability between two atoms or either same type or different type. We'll study about the covalent bond in the next video. Instead of participating in electron transfer, the carbon, instead of participating in electron transfer, which can't be done by carbon atom because there is a number of electrons which has to be donated or accepted by carbon is huge. So they forms a different type of bond called sharing of electrons. Sharing of electrons, and this sharing of electrons forms a different bond called covalent bond. Most of the non-metals present in the surrounding forms covalent bond by sharing of electron, neither transferring of electrons or accepting or gaining of electron. दोस्तों हमने बात की आज की कार्बन और इसके कंपाउंड्स में कौन सा बॉन्ड होता है, कौन से बॉन्ड से कार्बन के साथ या कार्बन किसी और एलिमेंट के साथ जुड़ा होता है। हमने देखा कार्बन का बाहरी जो एटमॉस्फेयर बाहरी शेल होता है हमेशा वही रिएक्शन में यूज होता है और उसमें नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने हैं, 4। तो ये 4 नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो है ना ये 4 को डोनेट कर सकता है और ना ही 4 एक्सेप्ट कर सकता है, क्योंकि 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी की जरूरत होगी और इंटर इलेक्ट्रॉन रिपल्शन होगा। इसी तरह 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करने के लिए आउटर मोस्ट शेल से बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी की जरूरत होगी, जिसको एक्सट्रैक्ट करने में कार्बन असमर्थ है। तो इसलिए कार्बन ना ही डोनेट करता है ना एक्सेप्ट करता है, एक अलग तरीके का बॉन्ड बनाता है जिसमें म्यूचुअल शेयरिंग होती है और इस शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन से जो बॉन्ड बनता है वो कहलाता है कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड। मुझे लगता है कि आप लोगों को ये बात मेरी समझ में आ गई होगी। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। इफ यू लाइक दिस काइंडली शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर वीडियोस। थैंक यू।